We'll guide you through how to make a request for approval in ClickUp. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, launch Google Chrome or any web browser of your choice, and make sure you have a stable internet connection before accessing ClickUp. Once your browser is ready, go to clickup.com by entering the website address into the address bar and waiting for the homepage to load completely. On the ClickUp homepage, click Login to open the sign-in page and access your account. Choose the login method you want to use, such as signing in with your email address associated with your ClickUp account. Enter your email address in the required field and ensure it is entered correctly before proceeding. Next, type your password into the password field associated with your account. After reviewing your login credentials and confirming that the information is correct, click Login to access your ClickUp account and continue to your workspace. Once you have successfully signed in, open the list within the space that you want to use and make sure you are working in the correct location before continuing. Open the task for which you want to request approval, for example, a task with the in progress status. Inside the task details, click the comment field and type your approval request, clearly explaining that the task is ready for review and approval. For example, as shown in the video, after typing your comment, click the Assign Comment as Action Item icon to turn the comment into an assigned action item. Next, choose the reviewer or team member who will review and approve the task. Once the reviewer has been selected, click the Send button to submit the approval request. After the reviewer finishes reviewing the task and resolves the assigned comment, you will receive a notification on the comment indicating that your approval request has been addressed. Once the approval has been completed, go back to the list view to review the updated task. You can now see that the task has been moved to the approved status, indicating that the review and approval process has been finished successfully.